Hello all, hope you are doing great. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Okay, welcome to the next part of video in the Jmeter series. Hope you all watched the previous video, and this is going to be a very interesting video where how to do data driven, that is parametrization, with the help of Jmeter. What is my data driven? Passing multiple values is called as a data driven. Normally, if you take an example, right, you are going to test a login page. Okay, so if I want to test with multiple users, right, this can be achieved with the help of the data driven testing or parameterization in automation world. Okay, normally in other tools, like if you take Selenium or Playwright, we'll have Excel sheet where we connect with Apache Py and we do testing to parameterization. So this can also be achieved with the help of Jmeter. Right, for example, I have different users. I want to log in with different users and test how fast is responding. Okay, that can be achieved with the help of data driven. So now, but I'm not going to use with the credentials. I'm going to check the API part. Okay, so last video we saw about API, right? I'm going to import that file. One question, right, one of a friend asked in the YouTube comment, right, how to import JMX file in the JMeter. That was a question which is asked in the comment. Let me show you. You have to go to file, open. Okay, then you have the jmx file, right? This you should import it. Okay, hope your question has been answered in this video. Okay, let me open the jmx file which I already did, right? The API testing, right, with the post and the get request we did in the last video. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to pass multiple values here from the csv file. Okay, let me go to the thread group, right click, 1 minute. This is not the right JMX file. Only let me change the JMX file. Okay, we have the thread group here. Okay, we already have the user defined variables which we did in the last video. Okay, now I'm going to remove the user defined variables. Okay, now I'm going to go to, I have three requests: post, get, and put. Okay, I have the listeners view results tree and the view results in the table. Okay, let me go to the one of a CS Excel sheet. I'll go. Okay, I'm going to keep this body here in 1 minute, right? Let me first create this one. I'll, instead of body, I'll create a base URI here. Okay, so I'll keep the base URI here. Okay, and the post post request, right? I'm going to keep it. Okay, so here I'm going to keep the base URI and the post resource. I'm going to keep it. Okay, then I'm going to add get resource also. I'll add the put resource also. So I'll keep the base URI and the resource in the Excel sheet. This I'm going to call right in our JMX file. Okay, I'll save this first. I'll go to the folder Apache Jmeter folder. Okay, which I'm just searching 1 minute. here. 1 minute, let me, I'm just searching Apache JMeter. 1 minute. Okay, and now I'm just going to search the C2T endpoints now. So I'm just taking the first the base URI. Okay, then I'll search the post request, post resource. I'll take the resource of the post. Then I'll take the resource of the get. Then I'll take the resource of the put. Okay, let me save this file as a CSV file. Let me save, go to file, save, and I'll give right test data. Okay, let me save this file as a CSV, right, comma separated value file. Okay, okay. Now let me save. Go to the Apache folder. Go here. I'll save in the Apache folder bin path. Okay, I'll save this test data. Okay, it has been saved now. Ah, okay. Now what I'll do is right. I'll go to the folder. Go to the bin folder. I can see the test data here. Okay, it's been saved. Okay, let me open it once. You can see the test data, right? It's been saved as .csv file. Okay, now what we do is right, we need to add this in our test plan. Okay, for that I'll go to jmeter. I'll go to the request, right? We gave the base URI last time, right? So I need to get this from the Excel sheet. Okay, so I'm not going to give you like last time we didn't use the defined variables. Okay, this will be called from the Excel. Okay, for that I'll go to thread group, right click, go to add, go to the config element. I'll see there is a CSV dataset config. Okay, we have to click it. Then I have to give a file name there. For that I need to go and browse it and give it. Okay, I should go this capture this path where the file CSV file is been saved. Then I should go and give here. Okay, then the test data, the path of the file where we have saved, the extension is CSV. Okay, comma separated value. Okay, and I gave the path of the file. Now I'll go to the post request. I'll open it, copy the base URI path, our name, then I'll give in a dollar. Okay, within the bracket I'll give base URI. I'll type the base URI. Okay, let me just type again the post resource there. dollar within bracket host, and the attribute name I'm just passing here. Okay, host resource. Okay, now again I have to give for the get also the variable name I'm giving there. Okay, then for the get also I should give get resource for all three requests I'm giving. So this base URI is going to take from the Excel sheet. Last time we saw added we got from the user defined variables. Now same thing we are doing from the third party tool. Okay, that is Excel sheet. So when we go for this, if you have very bulk set of data, right, we can go for the CSV files. Okay, if we want to test lot of endpoints, right, or a big set of values, I can go for this one. Okay, I can opt for Excel sheet if I have a big set of data. Okay, let me. I've added all these parameters there. I'll close this CSV file. Okay. I've added the request there. Let me run it, refresh it, and run it. I'm just checking once. Okay, let me run this. Post request, get request passed. Okay, the base URI has been launched. Right, you can see right data inserted successfully. Responses came. Okay, so this is how we can add the take the resource or a request or a response right from the excel external file. Okay, so as I mentioned you, when we can go for this one, right, if you have a large set of data, or we can finish it with the user defined variables which we did in the last video. Okay, hope this video is useful and understandable to you. Okay, there are still we are going to put a lot of videos. Please watch this video and get benefited. Thank you. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.